we burn like fire, blazing through the night. Now we're only embers flickering out of sight. Your voice is just an echo lost inside my mind. I reach for you, but you're too far this time. All the promises we made turn to whispers in the rain. Can't hold on to what is gone, slipping through my hands again. Fading love, drifting away like a song that time won't play. Every touch, every kiss, now just ghosts I can't resist. Fading love, fading light, lost between the wrong and right. Still feel you in my veins, but we're not the same. We built a world together, walls of dreams so high. Now they're cracked and broken underneath the sky. Your eyes don't shine the way they used to before. I know we're here, but we're not us anymore. All the laughter, all the pain, just reflections in the rain. Can't turn back, can't pretend. Some stories have to reach their end. In love, drifting away like a song that time won't play. Every touch, every kiss, now just ghosts I can't resist. Fading love, fading light, lost between the wrong and right. I still feel you in my veins, but we're not the same. Maybe love was never meant to last. Maybe we were just a spark meant to pass. Now the fire's gone, just cold remains, but I still burn for you again. Fading love, slipping away like a dream at break of day. Every word, every fight, now just echoes in the night. Fading love, fading light, nothing left to hold on tight. I still feel you in my veins. We're not the same. We're not the same. Just a memory in the rain. The wind still whispers your name at night, like a ghost dancing in the pale moonlight. I reach for you, but you fade away, just a shadow lost in yesterday. Every photograph, every song, they pull me back where we belong. But you're gone, and I'm still here, drowning in the past I hold so near. I'm lost in memories, trapped in time, falling deeper where the sun won't shine. Every heartbeat calls your name, but nothing will ever be the same. I'm lost in memories, stuck inside, chasing echoes of a love that died. Try to move on, try to break free, but you're still a part of me. The city lights don't shine the same, every street still echoes our name. I see your face in the pouring rain, but when I blink, you're gone again. Every photograph, still a part of me. If I could turn back time tonight, would I make it wrong or make it right? But the past is written, set in stone, and now I'll walk this road alone. I'm lost in memories, trapped in time, falling deeper where the sun won't shine. Every heartbeat calls your name, but nothing will ever be the same. I'm lost in memories, stuck inside, chasing echoes of a love that died. Trying to move on, trying to break free, but you're still a part of me, still a part of me. Still lost in memory. I see you in the corner of my eye, a fleeting shadow, a whispered sigh. I turn around, but you're never there. Just empty air and a vacant stare. I hear your voice in the midnight rain, calling my name, but it's not the same. Reaching out, but there's nothing to hold.